Hello friends, I am Daksh from Wild Crab and today I am going to unbox the Epsilon power bank which I recently purchased from Amazon.in. So friends, before I start the unboxing, I want to ask you that which are the three factors that you consider before buying any power bank. For me, the three factors are like what should be the power, what should be the price, and how handy that product should be. So when you consider these three parameters, I think you can choose among various options that are available online or in the market. So if you consider all these three factors, so first factor I'll tell you about power for this power bank. So this power bank has an power which I found was best among many other power banks, and it is quite a lot of power that is available, and this power is enough to charge my phone 2 to 3 times because whenever this is fully charged I can charge for 3 times my phone, which has a battery of around 3000 mAh. And the price, now talking about the most interesting thing, the products that are available in this range are almost of 1500 to 2000, but this is a product that I got for only 800 bucks, and it was a pretty good deal that I got. So I'll just unbox this product and I'll show you that what all it contains. So before we move on, there are some addresses that are available here. So this web address, social links, and also you have the email address of the team. So I'll just unbox this product and I'll show you what all it has. So if I see that I can see there are two things here. One is the power bank and another is the charging cable. So I have two things here, and also I see a leaflet here inside. This is a user manual. So along with this product you will get three things that are a power bank itself, the charging cable, and the user manual. So let me just check the user manual. So this user manual has the details about the product. It has some FAQs and specifications, LED capacitor indicator, so how you will know that what is the charge available in the power bank. So I'll just zoom it. So this is how, if you can determine that if there are 4 lights are on, so the charge is from 75 to 100%, and so on. You can just check that capacity here. And along with this there is an interesting feature, as in that will be helpful for many Indians, that is of a LED light. So many areas in India still have power issues, so I think this would be handy in case the power is gone and then you need to search for something. So you can just use this light. This is a great feature. And if you ask about the power bank, it has 2 ports that are the output ports. So one port has 5 volts 1 ampere, another has 5 volts 2.1 ampere, and one is a charging port for that power bank. And here we have the specification of the power bank. It has 13,600 mAh of battery, and it comes with a rechargeable Li-ion power bank. Li-ion battery is being used. The model number is EP01, and if you ask me about the handiness, it fits into the hand, so it's pretty well. It's very light as well. The weight must be approximately 300 to 400 grams, and there is a power cable that comes along. So if you ask me, within the price range of 800 to 900 Indian rupees, this was something that I found was really a good deal, and if you want to go for it, you can give it a try. But only one thing I'm concerned about is the service part. So as I read online is that the service center is only available in Gujarat, that is in Surat. So I'm not sure if you will have all India service center available, but you can just check it out and talk to the manufacturers about how can you get this thing repaired. So as of now I see that this is a good one-time buy, and also the power is good, so you can use it for a long while. So that is it from Wild Crab team today. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can just write down in the below comment section. Signing off for today. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.